The interior lights are controlled by these two buttons located just above the rearview mirror. If no button is pressed, the lights will illuminate and remain on for a period of time when the power switch is placed in the off position, when the doors are unlocked from outside the vehicle, or when any door is opened with the power switch in the off position. Press this button to turn the interior lights on. The lights will illuminate regardless of door positions. Press the button again to return to the neutral position. Press this button to turn the interior lights off. The lights will not illuminate regardless of door positions. Press the button again to return to the neutral position. The map lights are controlled by these buttons. Press the button located next to each light to turn that light on or off. There are rear personal lights, if so equipped, located in the second row of the vehicle. Press the button located next to each light to turn that light on or off. The liftgate light is located here on the liftgate. Slide the switch to this position to turn it on or this position to turn it off. The cargo light will illuminate when the liftgate is opened and turn off when the liftgate is closed. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.